Hey, Dr. Shoshany, the seminar is going to be August 28th, which is a Tuesday from 7:30 to 8. We're going to be talking about CBD and how it can impact your overall systemic health. One of the reasons I chose to do this workshop in my office is the tremendous amount of misconceptions that are going on about CBD. We're going to be bringing in industry experts. We're going to be talking about the best source of CBD. Is it better to consume it orally, topically, cream, patch, or all a combination of those? We're going to be bringing these experts to discuss proper dosage, the proper sources. I get frustrated because I see a lot of products in the market and I know that they're from hemp stock that is from overseas. So we're going to be talking about what to look out for. This seminar is going to be completely free. Space is very limited. We only have 15 available slots, so click in the link below. We're also going to be demoing some of the products that I have here, pain, creams, wearables. So some of these products, we're going to be raffling them off. We're going to be also raffling off a half-hour massage with CBD cream. We're going to be talking about how we're integrating CBD into our current chiropractic physical therapy massage practice to help patients that have pain and suffering. So this is a seminar not to be missed. If you want to learn more about CBD and you're in New York, August 28th from 7:30 to 8 p.m., click the link below, register, very limited seats. Hope to see you there.